On behalf of our team here at the hospital and throughout Novant Health, I want to congratulate Connor, Daniel, Kiana, Kalia, and Evelyn on their accomplishment and successful completion of the program this year. I also want to thank you all for everything you've done for our patients, their visitors, and each of our team members throughout your time with us. Despite the many challenges that we have faced throughout this past year, the students and this program have not only met but exceeded our expectations. And that's through each of your all's hard work and the dedication of our teacher, Ms. Bowie, our job coaches, Lynn, Michelle, and Ms. Rhonda. The various departments and team members that have had an opportunity to interact, learn, and teach these students that are here with us today. And certainly putting on display our values of diversity, inclusion, and equity. Also, our steering committee for the vision that they've had, and our community partners, Brunswick County Schools, Brunswick Community College, North Carolina Vocational Rehab, for bringing this vision to life and allowing these students to have success with us here today. I'd also like to thank the parents that are out there in the vehicles with us today, along with any grandparents and siblings and other members of our student support system that have really entrusted us with their students and allowed us to provide them a safe opportunity to develop the skills necessary to gain employment in our community and really make a contribution to our future. With that being said, I'm going to welcome Mike Kapuscinski to the podium here to share a couple of thoughts. Mike is our supply chain manager here at Brunswick Medical Center and a host department that many of our students got to work with. And he wants to share a couple of thoughts with you on what his team's experience was this year. Thank you and enjoy the program.
Good morning. My name is Mike Kapuscinski, Manager of Supply Chain Operations for Novant Health Brunswick Medical Center. When I found out Project Search was coming to the hospital, I was really excited, but I was also scared. I didn't know what to expect or how things would turn out, but most importantly, I didn't want to let the students down. The first day I met the students was on Skills Day. After meeting the students for the first time, I knew everything was going to be okay. They were nervous but excited to learn. They, of course, made my skills challenge look easy. Over the past 8 months, I watched the students grow along with their confidence each and every day. There were some ups and downs, but I can tell you there was more ups than downs. The students went from being shy and timid to outgoing and talkative. It was like they found their comfort zone. To see the students succeeding and happy made it all worth it. The most rewarding thing was the trust the students had in us. I'd like to give a good shout out to my supply chain staff. They were excellent with the team. Jeff Novicki, Wayne Huffman, Kim Ludlam, and Brian Hastings, and the rest of the hospital staff for their dedication and hard work put towards Project Search. I hope the students learned as much from us as we learned from them. And in closing, I'd like to congratulate the Project Search students on their graduation. This is one of many achievements you will have in your life, and don't ever give up on your goals. I look forward to working with the next Project Search team next year. Thank you.
Good morning. I didn't hear y'all. Good morning. Good morning.
How are we doing this morning? I have the pleasure of saluting our graduates. So I'm going to take a little time to share personal achievements for each one of our graduates with Project Search. But first, I would like to say on behalf of the Project Search team, I would like to thank all of you for joining us to celebrate our graduates. Kiana, Kalia, Evelyn, Connor, Daniel, you all have made history as the first and finest group of Project Search interns to work here at Novant Health. We are so proud of you. Let's give them a round of applause. Our graduates have proven when provided an opportunity and a nurturing environment, students with disabilities can thrive and work. Graduates, you have exceeded all of our expectations. Each one of you has grown tremendously during this process. You have not only proven that you can work extremely tough jobs independently, you have grown into leaders who are ready for whatever lies ahead. Kiana Barden, our little ladybug. She rotated between environmental services, guest services, and supply chain. She learned to prepare patient rooms for discharge, followed COVID cleaning procedures as she cleaned patient rooms, escorted patients to hospital registration, and delivered supplies to various departments. She began this journey shy and reserved. Our team worked extremely hard to provide Kiana with the guidance and support she needs to advocate for herself and appropriately interact with others. Kiana, a student who was visibly overwhelmed with the pressures of transitioning from high school to the workforce, I am happy to announce will transition from her Novant Health internship to paid employment. What you all don't know is that when she was given the job lead through vocational rehabilitation, she carried out the introduction to her new supervisor independently. He was so impressed that he offered her a position at the first meeting. Kiana Barton, we salute you. Kalia Fullwood, who the team affectionately called the star of Novant's guest services, proved that a smile, gentle spirit, and compassion for people is exactly what is needed for a career in the healthcare field. Kalia rotated between guest services, central sterile processing, and the lab. Throughout her clinical experience, she learned all the processes and procedures for ensuring that patient records were accurate, was able to prepare specimens for testing, and ensured surgical tubes were properly sterilized for surgeries. Kalia was able to accomplish difficult tasks, but this star shined in her interactions with people. Project Search helped Kalia to discover that being a people's person can and will open doors of opportunity. I am honored to announce that Kalia has already transitioned to paid employment with Universal Healthcare Brunswick. Kalia Fullwood, we salute you. Evelyn Gray, our silent soldier, blew every rotation with a blast. Do not let her quietness fool you. She has superseded expectations on all 3 rotations. Evelyn rotated between central sterile processing, the lab, and transport. Throughout this experience, she had developed excellent organizational and clinical skills. Project Search has given Evelyn the platform to be able to interact with patients, prepare organs for pathology, witness a surgery, learn surgery tools and how to prepare them. After shadowing a phlebotomist in the lab, Evelyn expressed strong interest in nursing. I am so honored to announce Evelyn has enrolled in the Certified Nursing Assistant program at Southeastern Community College. Evelyn's hard work throughout her rotations have not gone unnoticed. I am also honored to announce, per recommendation of the Central Sterile Processing Management Team, Evelyn was encouraged to apply for a position at Novant Health Brunswick Medical Center. Evelyn Gray, we salute you. Connor Haynes, our conservationist, animal rights activist, and expert in prehistoric wildlife creatures. He has been a leader in educating everyone he comes in contact with on our responsibility to take care of our planet. Connor is known throughout every department within this hospital. He rotated between supply chain, food and environmental services, in addition to being a super stocker, scanner, and mail sorter. Connor excelled in food preparation. The team discovered that he is a fast potato peeler and can assemble a perfect parfait and banana pudding. I am honored to announce that Connor is currently employed at the Wells Insurance Company in Southport, where he helps to keep the offices clean. Connor is also in the process of working with vocational rehabilitation for his future endeavors. Connor Haynes, we salute you. Last but certainly not least, Daniel Palacios, affectionately called Daniel's son. I want everyone here to know that Daniel is a lover of food and everything associated with food preparation. He even loves kitchen design and cooking shows. Throughout this school year, we discovered Daniel was also knowledgeable of the strangest things and is always eager to share his discoveries. Daniel rotated between the kitchen and supply chain. He had a wonderful time in both departments. He is well loved and appreciated by everyone he comes in contact with. Daniel excelled in many areas as he rotated twice in the kitchen. He engaged in food preparation, worked the grill, made tuna, chicken, and broccoli salads. He even made barbecue sauce, cooked on the grill, stocked, served customers during lunch, and helped with catering throughout the hospital. I am honored to announce, per recommendation of the kitchen management team, Daniel will apply for a position in food services at Mars and Foods, located here at Novant Health Brunswick Medical Center. Daniel Palacios, we salute you. It warms my heart to reiterate that all 5 of our graduates are transitioning to paid employment. This is why we were here. This is why this program for students with developmental disabilities exists. Brunswick County School students were provided with an opportunity to learn, practice, and expand their skill sets to gain employment. Ladies and gentlemen, Project Search has been a success and will continue to be a success. Thank you to our team, our partners, and all the parents and grandparents and siblings for your support. Kiana Barden, Kalia Fullwood, Evelyn Gray, Connor Haynes, Daniel Palacios, congratulations. At this time, we're going to prepare for our students to come up and receive their certificates. Students, like we practice, when I call your name, I need you to exit the vehicles with your mask. Come on and strut down the red carpet to receive your awards. You ready? Kiana Barden. We loaded them up. Congratulations, Kiana. Kalia Fullwood. Let's give it up for Kalia Fullwood. Evelyn Gray. Let's give it up for Evelyn Gray. Connor Haynes. Good job, Connor. Daniel Palacios. Come on down, Daniel, son. Daniel, start right there. Thank you. I present to you Project Search's class of 2021. At this time, I would like to turn the program over to Melissa Quinlan. She's the Executive Director of Exceptional Children and Student Support Services with Brunswick County Schools.
Today has been a truly amazing day. As I look out here and see all your precious faces, so many of you I have watched since kindergarten. So to see you grow into the amazing young adults that you have become has been a joy in my life. Perseverance, overcoming, hardworking, dedicated are just a few of the words to describe our graduates today. We are so proud of you and so proud of who you have become. We could not have asked for better blessings in life. To the staff and all of the individuals that have supported this program, we are truly, truly grateful for you. As you go forth this day, all of you embrace the day, embrace your talents, and embrace all of those things and the journey to come. Parents and guardians and families, thank you for sharing your children with us. They are a blessing every day. And with this, we'd like to close by saying thank you, students, for everything you do and all the joys that you bring to our lives. You are amazing, and we cannot wait to watch your journey to come. And with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, take lots of pictures, and thank you for your